Includes 4 10-pound weights or 40 pounds total and a carry strap. Each individual weight is 9L×9W×2.225 2.225H. The original no-pinch design makes for easy, safe installation and removal of weights. Fits all canopy poles up to 1 1/4 inch wide. Interlocking weights designed by the experts securely fit the canopy legs. Top reviews from the United States. Nice weights. I got these to use with our canopies and they have performed well. I can already say that they are able to take a drop and not be injured. We got a few sets so that we could put 2 on each leg, 4 legs per canopy, 2 canopies, and they work great. Over the 4th of July, we had both set up in a bit of wind and these held the canopies down securely. Very happy.